Stop scrolling for just one moment. Let me ask you something honestly. How many times have you tried to focus, but your mind ran this eye away within seconds? If that sounds like you, this story is not random. It's for you. A smart boy, full of potential, big dreams in his heart. But there was one problem. Wilson could not control his mind. Whenever Wilson opened a book, his phone demanded attention. When he tried to study, games, messages, and thoughts pulled him away. His mind jumped from one thing to another. Never calm, never still. Welcome to Planet Thrills Motivations. This channel is for anyone who wants focus, discipline, and control over life. Stay with me. This story might change the way you think. At school, teachers explained lessons, but Wilson wasn't really there. Others solved problems. Wilson stared at the page, confused and distracted. The harder he tried, the worse he felt. People began to whisper, "Wilson is smart, but he has no discipline." Those words hurt more than any failure. Late at night, Wilson lay awake staring at the ceiling. He asked himself, "Why can't I control my own mind?" The answer scared him, because he didn't know. What Wilson didn't realize was this powerful truth. White right pointing backhand index talent without focus is useless. White right pointing backhand index intelligence without discipline goes nowhere. And Wilson was about to learn this lesson the hard way, because very soon, someone would enter his life and test him in a way he never imagined. White right pointing backhand index, like this video. White right pointing backhand index, subscribe to Planet Thrills Motivations. This story is just getting started. Fire to be continued. Must watch.